we have partnerships in place currently with 160 plus of the biggest service providers in the country. When I say providers, I'm referring to companies such as Comcast, Verizon, DirecTV, the typical providers that you or I might use for our homes, not to mention various types of commercial and hospitality properties across the country. This program through Almo focuses on that commercial and hospitality vertical. So we aren't looking for our partners to become the stereotypical door-to-door, cable salespeople for residential settings. But to Jay's point, one of the things that he mentioned is hiring us. And that's basically what our role is with these partnerships is you use our network that we've already built for you. So it's basically like you will now have this network of some of the biggest providers in the country. These providers specialize in primarily internet, voice, video solutions, security and surveillance, and also mobility. Those are really the core 5 that we seem to be focused on. Regardless of the scope of work of these types of projects, we have multiple solutions for every property, which I'll get to in a little bit. But it really opens up a whole new revenue stream for you that you're not currently gaining. The benefit, much like some of our other services through NoBox, is the lifetime recurring revenue. With business communications, the revenue is a percentage of the end user's monthly bill. So the best way to think about it is every time your customer, goes through and pays their utility bills or anything else on a monthly basis, you're now getting a percentage of that.